Hi guys, so quick update lang tayo dito kay Pudgy Penguins. Ayan, so meron ditong mga giveaways or you can win 1 BTC. Ayan, ito, 1 Ethereum, bouquet, and yung mga futures bonus guys, no. So share ko lang dito sa pinaka video natin today, bagong campaign, no. So you can check as well sa end ninyo if you are interested dito guys. Alright, so discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today, pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. So ito nga ang si Pudgy Penguins na campaign. Ayan, so meron ditong mga prizes, no. So dito sa pinakababa, andito yung pinaka-details, like you can read naman. So eligible winners will receive Fix USDT cash equivalent for physical prizes, like a Pingo branded exclusive plush toy valued at 50 USDT, 1 Ethereum valued at 1,850, and 1 BTC valued at 63,000 USDT guys, no. So itong rewards values are fixed and unaffected by market price, no. So bali ito na kagad yung makukuha, no. So yung mga rewards na yan ay subject to risk review, and re-reviewin nila yan for the qualifications, no. So may mga requirements lang dito. Ayan. So meron din ditong mga other options, other features like earn. Ay makikita natin dito sa taas, no. So you can check na lang sa end ninyo if you are interested dito sa campaign na ito. So it brings to my attention lang ito para ata sa volume. So you can check this one guys, no. Like go to earn as well. Ayan, so kung meron ka ditong Pengo, ayan, so within 7 days you can join naman dito if you are interested, no. Again guys, no, I'm just sharing this update lang for educational and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice guys, no. So yun nga guys, no, meron ditong 19 days tapos 4 hours and you can join the challenge. So may mga task dito that you can double benefits, no. Ito, may mga boost. So go to earn lang and mapupunta kayo dito. So ito yung option na merong 7 days na term, no. And then merong 10% APY for Pengo. And next one is lucky draw, no. So every trade brings a shot at 1 BTC. Ayan, so parang pinaka draw ito, no. So if I'm not mistaken, ito ay naka-base sa pinaka volume. So if ever dito sa baba, ayan, merong cumulative volume you can get nung parang spin, no. Ito, if ever man na meron ka ditong volume that you can get this free speed na pwedeng gamitin dito sa drone, no. Ito, so meron palang weekly price, no. So nasa week 2 na tayo. Ayan, week 1. Ito yung pinaka-distribution hanggang top 50. And ito yung pinaka-prices for the first, ayan, 500, second, 300, no. So, yun. You can check this one, guys, if you are interested. So, ito yung ongoing na campaign dito kay Pengo L-Bank. Yung pinaka-official link naman na ito, guys, lalagay ko na lang sa pinaka-description ng video na ito. If you're interested, you can explore, no. So, you can check naman. So, yun lang for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.